Hello, I'm Herrick Kimball reporting to you from the scene of future destruction. That's right, this structure that I'm in and the house over here is going to disappear soon. If all goes as planned, we're getting a guy with an excavator and one of those thumbs to crunch and stuff houses like this, a manufactured home, into a dumpster or two. I'm not sure how many it's going to take, but we're going to get rid of this thing. It's been a money pit. I paid taxes for years on this, a lot of taxes, and it's hard to justify paying them just for storage. My wife and I live around the corner, and we purchased this property because it has acreage up above that adjoins our little acre and a half up there. We wanted the land. We didn't need or want a house, but it came with it, and we made good use of it. But anyway, my middle son is going to buy this, him and his wife, and we will have grandchildren closer to us. They'll be able to enjoy the fields and the stream and the woods that my kids enjoyed when they were growing up. But I digress. What I'm going to do here is give you a little tour of the house before it disappears. If you've been a watcher of this channel, you're familiar with this room and this old table saw, my old Craftsman table saw, where I've had a few how-to videos. And then in the house, for a little while there, I had the Get Her Done workshop. I was trying to make good use of the space, but it just didn't seem right. I will lose my shop here as it is, but I've got plans for another shop. It'll probably take years before it materializes, but that's the story of my life. Let me give you a little tour before I start ripping out windows and trying to get this table saw into my pickup truck. This is the very last thing that needs to be gone before the crunching machine comes. Alrighty then. We've got a nice storm door here, which we're going to salvage. Got some kindling down there. And we come into the kitchen. Boy, we still have a refrigerator. Got to do something with that. And here's the kitchen. Over here was the dining room. Okay. We pivot around. I had a heater over here. A nice Nigh wall heater, wall furnace, propane. There's the front door. This was the Get Her Done workshop right here. It was a pretty good space, but not great. Okay, so we got the back door and the front door, and there's another entrance over here. I'll show you. Okay, see that? Down there? That's the rat entrance. We'll come down through here. This is a quick tour. Little bedroom here, nice paneling. Come down here. And we've got a room here. This was a laundry room. There was a closet here, and this is a bathroom that I put in when my first son was coming home. There was nothing like this bathroom here. It was just a closet, and there was well, I won't even explain it. It gets confusing. But anyway, here's another room. Come around and get that nice paneling again. 1972 or 3 is when this manufactured home was made, and then we have the master bedroom. This is a pretty nice room. So that's the house that's going to disappear. I gotta go shovel off the bill code door, and we'll go down in the basement. Oh, one more thing. I neglected to tell you that everything in this house, and we had a lot of stuff in this house, it had to go somewhere. It ended up going into a big truck trailer. Here's a picture of it. I'm not very happy that I have this big truck trailer on the side of my house, but it was necessary, and it'll probably be there 2 or 3 years. I bought that because it was cheaper for 2 or 3 years to purchase it than it was to rent something monthly. I hate monthly payments. So we just bought it, and it's full. All right, I've shoveled off the bill code door, and I have flashlights. I did a video about these flashlights. Inexpensive, fantastic. I'm going to clip all 4 of these onto the visor of my hat, and hopefully that will give us the light we need. There's an end view of the house. Bill code door. Look at the neighbors have plowed my driveway. So nice of them. Let's check it out down here. Oh my goodness, the camera's showing it pretty good. I don't even think I'm gonna need my my flashlights. Here we go. You see a beauty? You can put some rooms down here. Oh, now it's getting dark. Okay, hang on. All right. I got four flashlights clipped in. It was fuel oil here. We never used the fuel oil furnace. Got another entrance over there for the, I don't know, whatever critter wants to come in. There you go. Down here, Mr. Murphy had a wood stove originally. I remember in the 70s when I was in high school coming down here. His son was a friend of mine, and it was all piled with firewood. There's a pressure tank. We got another little entrance up there. Anyway, this gives you an idea of what good shape this old manufactured home is in. Oh, look at that. That's copper pipe. I gotta come down here and get that. I thought I had gotten it all. That went to the propane tanks. Yeah, that's money in the bank right there. Right, we're gonna get that. And there we've got wires up here. As soon as the power's off, we'll start pulling wires. Just the easy ones to get to. There's a cable, service cable. Goes all the way from there to the other end of the house to a breaker box. There's a whole water heater. Actually not old, I put that in. Yep, that's it, folks. That's what it looks like down here. Gonna be great to see this thing gone. Whoa, happy day. Gonna be gone, gone, gone. Sure is nicer out here. Hey, thanks for watching, everybody. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye-bye.